What's going on, guys? So we are ready for Season 2. Season 1, I won the NBA title because I created the best team. I'm the better man, you know? That's how it goes sometimes. Any words from you?
I thought we were starting Season 2. I don't know why I was looking at the past. Go to league meetings.
Okay.
Let's get this fish underway.
Alright, let's see.
What? Oh, I got 2 people retiring. My team was old as dirt. Donovan Haslam.
James Jones, Orlay. Alright, Hall of Fame. Yeah, I got a Hall of Famer in there.
So do I.
Didn't you have Vince Carter too at one point? Or not?
I did have him at one point. I like the order.
Jersey retirement. Hey, we want to retire his jersey too.
Do you even remember what number he was for you?
He's 41.
Was he? Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah. Alright, league meetings, here we go. Division winners will get the top 3 playoff seeds in each conference based on record. I say we reject that. The postseason teams winners, no one cares. Nope. Draft lottery. Team odds will be based on standings rule. No coin flip tiebreakers.
One person voted yes, so we say reject it.
13 players from each conference will be named to the All-Star team. Who cares?
I'm fine. Or not.
league realignment. I think I like where I'm at, even though I'm in the difficult West.
You're in the weakest the weakest division of the West, at least. I'm in the freaking hardest in the East.
So since we both made the playoffs, we're not going to be in the draft lottery. Staff signing. Do you want to go to that? I mean, we could probably get better coaches. Never mind. Ooh, Vince Carter? Okay. Oh, I'm gonna offer him.
You don't have to offer him a max, jeez.
No, because I know what you'll do. You'll be a dirtbag.
I'm not stealing Dirk as your coach. I still have a head coach. G. Macy. You were the problem!
Boo!
What?
Tyronn Lue. He's garbage.
Bill Booth.
Okay.
What does tentative mean?
Means he doesn't know if he wants to.
Well, he's got 13 offers, so I figured he wouldn't. Bill, welcome to the squad.
We good?
420.
Yes. Dirk, I'm glad you're back. Bye-bye.
If you ever need a reserve, you can just strap on a jersey.
You want to go to the draft? It's the 2018 class, so there might be some people that you know. I don't even know if I have a pin.
Hang on. We're already trying to. I feel like Aubrey needs to.
You get Delhi.
Yeah. This is future. Whatever.
That's all I have.
You got more players than I do.
don't even have a pick. I have a second round pick. Whoop-de fuck. See what I can get out of this. Oh baby. What was it? Come on down, Rudy Gay. Alright, do you want to do the draft or no? I don't have any picks. You want to do it? Alright, let's see who the Lions pick. I don't even know what draft pick they have. At the 23 pick. Can we skip? Yes, we can. Who's the number 1 pick? Michael Porter Jr.
We've got Trae Young.
Screw that. Maybe I should have tanked.
Not for him.
Okay, we get it. 29 offers.
That's the only reason I wanted to go see if they offered me one. We might come back to that.
Could take, oh, okay. Okay.
We might come back to that.
So I think you're going to let DJ walk?
DJ who? Oh, yeah. Right. We will.
And that's it.
Miami traded their centerpiece for the 23rd pick in the draft. They just got Trae Young to combo with him.
Well, they're trying to build through the draft. They're getting younger.
Yeah.
A lot of juniors in this draft. Jared Jackson Jr., Wendell Carter Jr., Michael Porter Jr. Actually, it's a really good draft. Rookie signing. Do you want to sign Glenn Arthur? Can you play offensive half man?
You declined? Dude, we could have had the Twin Towers.
LeBron is staying in Cleveland. Hey, I might be having to go pick him up. Bring it off.
Why are you offering all your...
Yeah, you're right.
You got a bunch of bums.
They're championship bums.
Oh.
The Marcus Cousins. Wow, Mello, you don't want to take a pay cut to...
You wanted to see if he signed the minimum? Nobody signed him the minimum.
Nope. They're a bunch of a-holes. Gary Harris, please.
What's your roster gonna look like? Oh, that ain't good, fam. That ain't good, fam. If you even offer Julius, I'm just gonna match it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Okay, hold on. Who's...
He's eating up the cap. Curry?
And we lost Dirk to the coaching position.
Dirk, we have an open coach. Do you want it? Yeah, sure. What the heck? What if he wins championships as a player and coach in back-to-back years?
I don't think that's ever been done.
Never seen anything like it.
Okay.
I was opening up in the
15 mil? Gotta get rid of 15 mil? So where would you put Jordan at? The 4 or the 5?
You'll see. You'll see! I like how I'm not allowed to offer anybody else, though. Who's eating up my change? Pretty much everybody. Yeah, pretty much everybody. Sign! I still have 2 offers left. What is going on? Nerlens? JaVale McGee! 605, 1 year deal. We gotta get the better Curry beat. Alright. Please sign. He's pending! Yeah, you wanna renounce those rights. I don't know what that does, actually. Don't listen to me. I don't know what that
Yeah,
does.
because I want to get rid of Spencer Hawes and Willie Reed. I'm going to keep Lee though. Alright, I'll let you decide what you're doing. All right. You let go solely?
Give everybody. What you mean? Should I hold on to? Yeah. Freaking JaVale!
Yeah, I don't think we have any money left.
For yourself.
You have minus, what, 15 mil?
Speak for yourself.
Oh, you're only at minus 4, okay. You ain't get Nicky Dollar.
It's fine, I don't even want to do it. We're coming for you. Ugh!
You ain't gonna beat us, player. What does this mean
Oh,
now?
my bad. I've seen my thing up at the top.
Alright, kid, I'm gonna give you a shot. Do me proud, you're 7-3. Alright, you can go ahead.
Alright, kid. Where'd you go? Patty, you wanna actually come this time?
Gay.
Measuring! Measuring! How are you doing, buddy? Where did I have so many tall guys? What to do here? Second team on a rookie. You can't top that. Nah, we'll keep measuring.
You good? Alright, I'm good. I don't need to add any more pieces. I mean, I don't have enough money to add any more pieces, so.
Am I still in the moratorium or whatever? So I gotta offer him contract. Well, I need a power forward. What do you need?
You're minus 61 mil.
Hey,
Spend all that money, you still don't have a championship? That's embarrassing.
Well, you.
Oh, great. Now you got 2 Darren Collisons. Will you match your own offer?
What? Alright, we're good. I got 4 freaking centers. We're playing big boy ball this year. I ain't taking it. Wait, whoa.
Come on.
Whoa. I make this team the best team anybody's ever seen. I can make a rhyme anytime, anywhere. Oh, look, over there. He loves me, guys. Don't let him fool you.
We're just gonna keep this one rolling.
Shouts.
Alright, do your stupid training camps.
Camps.
I think I'm gonna put Steph Curry in shooting.
And shooting training camp.
Yeah.
Oh, if it would ever let me, thank you. I don't even know. Do you want to do training camps? Because I don't really know what to put them in.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't do training camps.
Okay.
Alright, guys. We're just gonna end this video here. Goodbye. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We didn't really do anything.
Bye!
It's just a bunch of Keaton off-season moves. That's about it.
Pretty much.
Peace.